Purge, ACM, full of shoot. Bat 1 ready.
2's ready. Bandit ready.
Bandit fight's on.
Bat break right! Bogey, you're 6 o'clock. 2 miles, level.
Bogey search. 2's game. 2 first.
No doing. Continue.
That's it. Kill bandit, right hand turn.
Bandit, stop. You're on radio check.
Bat separate 200. Bat knock it off, Bat 1 knock it off.
Bat 2 knock it off. Bandit knock it off.
Appreciate your help, I think that one was perfect.
Noise. 1 press.
Wonderfully. 3-set reload, semi-off check. Object 1 is 14-6. One more fight and I'll be text right.
2 is 7-9 feeding. 3-7-7. Put it on!
Bandit, you mind lining up behind Bat 2? And then once we level off, I'll do that in place turn and pass you the lead.
Great.
Test. And let's climb up to 18, but the next exercise would be Perch ACM photo op.
2. Great. Direction bandit.
Okay, we'll be doing a photo up, AK4, Fat 1's ready.
2 is ready. Bandit ready.
Bandit flight's on.
Bad break left! Bogey here, 6 o'clock, level. Raptors, switch lane on me!
That's it, fellas.
Switch gauge!
Betsy status, Westman.
Choose a gauge.
Say press. Bandit, knock it off, man. Knock it off.
That 2, knock it off. Bandit, knock it off.
Yeah, my man. What did you guys do? A 1 circle away from me?
Yeah, Whip, I was waiting for you to reverse 1 circle, and then you didn't. Yeah, I just figured it'd be easier to keep the turret going away from him. Like turn across your tail.
Bat reference 150.
Sorry about that.
I'll get to, I think I'm to your left o'clock, or your left 8 o'clock.
1 press.
Get that. Bandit, you're clear back, trail formation.
Alright, Bandit, I will reverse then.
And bat reference 130. Reset reload, hop check, that one is 15-2.
2 is 8.3.